Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to share YouTube TV. So once you're inside YouTube TV guys, go ahead and click your profile in the upper right hand side, then click in settings. Now from the left hand side you want to go ahead and choose family sharing. Then here you will need to set up a family group. As you can see it says you'll need to create a family group to share YouTube TV. So go ahead and click and continue. Now you will have a little box up here. So here you can see as a family manager, you can invite up to 5 people and they must be 13 years or older, right? So it says family member will see your name, email address, and a profile photo. So you want to keep that in mind as well. And once you go ahead and do that, you will see that once you click on the family sharing, that it's now allowing you to manage it. So you can click and manage, and you will see that it takes you over to where it shows that you have YouTube TV under your subscription. Here you can go ahead and you can send the invitations as it says here, your family group members. All you have to do is just go ahead and click and add, and you can basically enter the email address of that person. So let's say I want to enter the email address of, for example, I'm going to put in an email address here. So I can go ahead and I can enter the email address of a person. So I'm going to enter, for example, one of my second email address here. So let's say that's who I want to add. Enter the email address, click and send, and this person will receive it. And as you can see, it says invitation as sent. I can click and got it. And you can see that this person is now added here. And that's basically it. If the person does not accept by the 4th of April, then it's going to be expired. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple.